with extensive combat and humanitarian experience. At the controls today is Major Miller, and joining him, Major Ream, Captain Merhart, Captain Sutton, and Loadmaster Sergeant Salvador and Sergeant Fulmer. This highly experienced crew has a combined total of over 13,000 flying hours with various Air Force aircraft. To start off today's demonstration, the crew will perform a high-speed pass. The C-17 is capable of accelerating to over 350 knots, demonstrated by the extremely powerful engines of this magnificent jet. Ladies and gentlemen, the C-17 is now approaching from your right. Please notice how quiet it is approaching so slow. This gives the operator the true advantage while flying low hostile territory and allows for quiet operations at airfields near heavily populated cities. This reliable airlift aircraft combines the extensive transoceanic capabilities of larger aircraft such as the C-5 Galaxy with the tactical short-field landing potential of the smaller C-130 Hercules. The C-17 is powered by four Pratt & Whitney F-117 engines. These are the same engines used on the Boeing 757. Each engine delivers over 40,400 pounds of thrust. This amount of thrust allows the Globemaster III to carry over 265,000 kilograms for an astounding range of up to 4,500 kilometers without the need to utilize its air-to-air refueling capability. Now approaching from your left, the aircraft will perform a slow-speed pass. During the pass, please notice the wing's leading-edge slats in large powered lift flaps. These design features literally change the shape of the wing and are the key to a slow final approach speed, enabling this remarkable aircraft to land and stop in very short distances required at austere dirt airstrips. Ladies and gentlemen, please get your cameras ready, as this will be the best opportunity to capture the experience of this amazing, state-of-the-art, all-encompassing tactical aircraft. Ladies and gentlemen, in case you're wondering how big the C-17 is, the wingspan is roughly 51 meters, the tail is over 5 stories tall, and fully loaded weighs over 265,000 kilograms. Easy to operate in any tactical situation. This aircraft can fly anywhere in the world non-stop using its air-to-air refueling capability. Air Force personnel routinely fly 24-hour missions with a single crew. The most basic crew complement required to operate a C-17 is merely 2 pilots and 1 loadmaster. power and the ability to depart in airports where enemy resistance is expected. With a departure climb angle of over 30 degrees nose up, the aircraft can retreat impressive altitudes within short distances. All the maneuvers you have seen here today are examples of those flown by operational air crews on a regular basis, as they provide highly responsive and flexible airlift capability. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes today's demonstration. On behalf of the men and women of the United States Air Force, we thank you for being with us today. And we hope you enjoyed this brief look at the C17 Globemaster III, your tactical airlifter, which will continue to provide rapid global mobility today